this is how transparent the iOS 26 liquid glass is, and we are just going to change it from this to this. Okay, so you can see there is a bit of reduced transparency on the iOS. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it yourself, but most of you don't know how they can update to the latest iOS 26. If you want to update to the latest iOS 26, you can check in the comment section description, but know that it is only the beta version that is out, so you can just update for testing purposes. Okay, and know that you may experience some good and bad, okay, of the new iOS 26 beta one. Okay, so let's talk about this and let me show you how you can reduce the transparency with the iOS 26 liquid glass. Okay, but if you are new, just make sure you like the video and follow me for more. Let's have it. Let's go. So go to your phone settings, scroll down and look for accessibility and tap on it. And when you come here, scroll down a little bit to display and test size and tap on it. And when you come here, make sure reduce transparency is turned on. Okay, so now I have turned it off, and let's check our control center before we turn on the reduce transparency. So you can see this is it. Okay, this is the normal one that we have right now. And when we turn on reduce transparency, this is it. Okay, so when the transparency is off, you can also read what is at the back of this. Okay, so you can see from the back there we have this transparency right there, as you can read from the background. Okay, but when we turn on the reduced transparency, you can now not be able to read what is at the back of the control center. Okay, so this is how you can solve the issue of you not being able to see what is on your phone screen. Okay, so just like the video and more videos will come right here. I'll bring you more iOS 26 features, some solutions to most of the problems and everything. Okay, so make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you in another video. And if in case you're facing any issue with the iOS 26, kindly leave it in the comment section. Okay, and if possible, I will just show you how you can solve it, just like I have done with this one.